There are multiple reports of flooding in Sevier County, streets flooded just like this. This is River Divide in Pigeon Forge. You can see the river has literally flowed over onto the street. We have other areas that have had water rising throughout the course of the day on this Thursday. We expect more areas to see inundation of water as we go forward because still another inch of rain is possible. I'm Kyle Granger reporting in Pigeon Forge.